Julia, the American Securities and Exchange Commission is asking a bunch of Chinese auditors for documents about the companies they audit. What are they after?
They're basically trying to clean up the mess which has been Chinese companies listing on the US. Obviously there's been some big headline cases such as Long Top, and so this is the kind of final process in trying to clean this mess up. So they've asked these auditors for documents. However, under Chinese law, they're not allowed to hand over those documents in case they give away state secrets, or that's what the auditors are arguing. So as a result, the SEC has started court proceedings in order to hurt these auditors in some way for not cooperating.
And where does this leave American or global investors in these US-listed stocks?
Well, unfortunately for those investors, they've already seen share prices come down quite a lot. So you look at companies such as Baidu, the big internet search company, its shares are down 25% odd this year.
And the SEC inquiry has hit the shares on
Absolutely.
top of that, and 6% on the index of US-listed Chinese companies.
Because they have to sit there and just watch this play out. I mean, it's a 300-day court review, so it's going to go on for some time, and they don't know exactly what the outcome will be, although it's very likely that it will lead to the SEC not accepting Chinese audits at all, and therefore those companies will have to delist. And they're just sitting and waiting for that outcome really now.
And where would that leave the companies once they've delisted from China? I mean, from the US?
Well, that's it. I mean, all may not be completely lost. So already you've got companies such as Focus Media listed in the US. It's been approached by Carlyle to take it private. And then some companies, I think, will be very welcome back in China. So Baidu is a huge stock. I mean, although its share price has come down, its revenues are still growing, sort of double-digit plus figures. So it's a very, very sort of sought-after company, and therefore will probably be welcome in Hong Kong or maybe even in mainland China. And investors may still be able to kind of play a part, therefore, but that outcome isn't known yet.
It sounds like both investors and these companies are in for a long process. Thank you, Julia.